It was in October 2016. I was diagnosed with breast cancer, left breast. I was asked to do a biopsy because I had an aunt who died of breast cancer, and it was horrible. I decided against the biopsy. I was very fortunate that my doctor is a medical doctor who decided to become a naturopath simply because she was not happy with the way the medical profession was going. So she has followed this journey with me and supported me every step of the way. Her first question to me was, how do you want to handle this? What do you want to do? And I said, I don't know what I want to do, but I do know what I don't want to do. I don't want chemotherapy and I don't want radiation. So I started doing a lot of research on the internet. I was voraciously searching the internet when I found out about the Immunity Therapy Center. And I knew right away that it was something serious for me to take a look at. I then went to my doctor and mentioned it to her, and she said she had 2 patients that had been here and had been cured, not in remission, but had been cured of cancer, and she wholeheartedly supported my decision to come here, and I've not regretted 1 second of it. There's no pain, there's no judgment. Every day is a wonderful, peaceful day where you just go through natural treatment, and then you find out, like I did yesterday, that my tumor is now gone. I'm going to continue another week of treatment just to get that extra load of vitamins and so forth, and then I'm going home cancer-free. We put so much of our faith in our doctors and in the medical system that we in the United States and Canada are a part of, not realizing that a lot of these doctors do what they do because that's what they were trained to do. They don't know any better. They just know what the standard protocol is. And so for me, when I was first diagnosed with cancer, the first thought for me was, I know that there's another way. I've seen too many people in my life who have gone through the standard protocol, and they're sick. There are people here that look like they've already died. Their immune system has been so badly attacked. Their spirit has been completely destroyed. That's not quality of life for me. So I already knew this. I've seen it happen in my family with loved ones too many times. I knew there had to be another way. So I just typed in alternative cancer treatments, and I finally got the site that said Peggy Sue survived. And that's when I went online, filled out the form on Saturday. On Monday, I received a call from a patient advocate. He set up a time for Dr. Mendoza, who is the doctor that's looking after me, to call me. Dr. Mendoza spent more than an hour that first day just in a consultation. I hadn't even committed yet to coming. And then he asked for my records, which my doctor gladly sent over. After he got the records a couple of days later, he called me again. We had a long conversation about those results that he had, and he never said to me, you need to come here. What he said was, there is activity on your left side, and we can help you. That was enough for me. And my partner was listening in on the conversation, and he felt very, very comfortable. There was no sales pitch. It was simply, let's take a look at what's happening to you. Yes, when they told me Dr. Batista wants to see me, I immediately thought, oh my goodness, what's going on? Is he going to tell me that my numbers for my blood work is bad? So yeah, I was very, very nervous at first. That wasn't the case. The news was wonderful. My blood work is great. My tumor is now gone. I did a breast exam to find that my tumor is gone. and I am going to finish out next week because I want that extra lift before I go home, and then I'm going home cancer free.